information, she is not in the least horrible.
But she's just a bundle of rags.
When will you learn to look past what you see? While each day to the steps of St. Paul's, the little old bird woman comes in her own special way to the people she calls.
Come, I like bags full of crumbs. Come read the little birds shower you care, and you'll be glad if you do. Their young ones are hungry, their nests are so bare, all it takes is
What are you doing? I'm going to give her my sixpence. What a waste.